Okay folks, today we got a really sharp truck. 2014 Chevy Silverado Z-71 lift kit, 20-inch wheels, 35-inch tires. Got the exhaust run on it, leather, power seats, Bose sound system, tinted windows, got the step bars, got towing package on the back. Got a couple little bumps right there on the back quarter. Really sharp truck. Got the OnStar navigation, backup camera, turn switch, 4-wheel drive, steering wheel controls, auxiliary input, dual climate control. 168,000 miles. Also, sometimes these videos, folks, it makes it look like the dash lights are flickering. They're not. It's just the way the light reflects off of it. Let's take her for a spin. See, everything shits out like it should. Drive smooth. Drive straight. That's it, folks. Nice truck. If we can help you with anything, give us a call, 731-968-2812, or visit us online at snsautosale.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.